welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have Sam Fischer here with a song called You Don't Call Me Anymore. So we have this melody going on through the entire song and it's backed up with some chords. So let's take a look at the chords. First, we need to set our capo here on the first fret. And with that, we have 3 different chords. So let's look at these chords. The first one will be C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. The next chord is E minor. That is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord will be G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Okay, so this one is first and foremost a picking song. So we'll pick notes from these 3 different chords. I thought there's a value to also give you the chords as they are. So let's go with these different notes chord by chord. So we'll start here with the C, and the chord progression through the entire song will be C, E minor, C, and G. That's what's going on here. So we start with the first C, goes like this. Okay, so you go with 3rd A together with open D, and then I hammer on the 2nd D. So I don't pick that 2nd D, I just hammer with my finger there on the 2nd D string. And then I pick the open G, and I do a clap there. So, all right, and that's it for C. Then you're gonna land on the next chord, which is E minor. And here you simply just pick 3 strings together and a clap. And those strings are open E in the bass, then 2nd D, and open G. Try to emphasize this open G string because that is where the melody goes, kind of. And as soon as you pick these 3 strings together, you hit this clap. All right. So. Okay. Then we go back to C again. Play this part. That is 3rd fret on A string, together with open D and 2nd G. Try to emphasize the 2nd G here. And then I pull off the next G string here to get the open G. Alright, so I just pull off with my finger I'm using here on the 2nd G, and I hit a clap afterwards, like this. So slowly. And then we'll play the final G in this first round. We'll go over 2 rounds because that's what the song is all about. So the last G here will be, that is simply 3rd fret on E in the bass, together with open G and open B. Try to emphasize the open B here. And a final clap on this first round. So the first round goes slowly. Okay, so the second round will be played in the same way when it comes to the C and E minor parts. So, and as soon as you hit that E minor clap, you'll go with these 2 notes. This is still in the E minor, and these 2 notes will be kind of a bridge to the next chord, which is the C. So you play the open G and open B. So you play again the E minor, clap in the same way as the first round, and then you add 2 notes there, open G and open B. And then you continue with the C part. This C part will play it in the same way as the other C in the first round. So Okay, no changes there. And the final G, almost in the same way. Now you're gonna play the 3rd fret on E string together with open D and open G. And try now to emphasize the open G. And a final clap. So the second round was, to summarize that one, same way when it comes to the C and the E minor, plus when it comes to the E minor, you're gonna add 2 notes, the open G and open B. Then you're gonna play in the same way when it comes to the C. And the G, you play almost in the same way, 3rd fret E string together with open D and open G, plus this clap. And that's it, my friends. I'm gonna take you through this 2 rounds slowly, a little bit slower perhaps than the standard tempo. So let's go. Yeah, so there you have it. Sam Fischer's You Don't Call Me Anymore. So good luck with this one, guys, and play tuned.